This is my vision board every day. I read this and I look at it. It says your audience relies on it. They need you to deliver your message and your music. And whenever I started writing music, when I started creating clothing, when I started to put my thoughts out into the world, I realized that I needed to be what? My fiercest self. I needed to live fully in my Christina-ness. My art requires me to be my most authentic me, and I deserve to be that. And then down here, it's a question I ask myself every time I'm at a crossroads. What does life want from me? Like, what do I want for myself? What am I learning in this situation? And whenever I ask myself that, I really find that the answer comes in the way that I need to hear it. This one says, if you want to live your life in agony, then by all means chase beauty ideals to your heart's content. I am not the societal version of beauty, and I don't care to be. And this last one is literally a theme for me. I love you, not what you do for me or the way that you make me feel, just you. And that is ultimately how I want and I deserve to be loved.